Hey budget gardeners, Vita Loca here. Join me today as I show you how to collect the seeds from Bachelor's Button. So let's go. Bachelor's Button is considered an annual here where I live in New Hampshire Zone 5B. And I apologize, I'm fighting a cold and I'm also in a very busy area, so the sound quality is not the best. I love Bachelor's Button. It comes in a lot of different colors. And I also love the fact that when it drops its seeds, you'll end up with the plant year after year. I'm going to take you in for a closer look so you know what to look for when collecting the seeds of Bachelor's Button. This is an example of what the seed pods look like. And you can see the blue color just starting to show. And look how pretty this blossom is. I just love it. It's middle of October and it's still looking so beautiful. Here's another very pretty color. It's like a purple color. With the seed pod, it hasn't fully opened yet, but that's okay. If you break it apart, just like this, you will see the seeds inside of the seed pod, and you can just remove them. The non-seed material can be added to your compost pile, or you can just put them back outside, and then you can store your seeds. I let my seeds dry for about 1 week, and then I store them in small Ziploc bags. And I like to label them with the plant type, the color, and the year that I collected the seeds. I also like to add where I collected the seeds from, but that's definitely optional. I have a US dime just to show you the size of the bag, as well as the seed pods and seeds. You don't have to store your seeds in Ziploc bags. You can store them in paper bags, envelopes, or even some sort of jar. Just make sure that the seeds are completely dry and put them in a cool, dark, dry location. Next year, I'll be showing you my process for starting the seed indoors. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down in the comment section below. And until the next video, make it a great day with gardening.